Migrate, work and settle in Canada. Canada requires skilled professionals in the area of IT, engineering, medical, teaching, banking, account and finance and many other areas. Canada, beautifully veiled by its natural beauty, thriving provinces, extended coastline, unique culture, and so on. It offers something for everyone. It has never let anyone alone. It cares for every individual like its child and comforts them with its utmost love and care. The Canada immigration process is a multifaceted one, and it purely depends upon your current status and your relevant eligibility range you hold. Candidates who wish to apply for a Canada visa application online would get confused with multiple paths, and hence, it becomes essential for them to adopt the support of an experienced and the best immigration consultant in India to land safely in Canada. Phoenix Global Resettlement Services Immigration is an ICCRC-registered Canada immigration consultancy in India. Phoenix Global Resettlement Services is providing efficacious immigration services to fulfill the dreams of aspiring clients who wish to immigrate to Canada. We sincerely work to give you the best life you deserve. We are experts in processing almost all the categories of Canadian immigration programs like Express Entry, General Skilled Migration, and other temporary visas. Canada, being the land of opportunities, always heads up to welcome the potential immigrants, and so we help you explore all the possibilities to change your life. Contact Phoenix GRS for prompt assistance.